Earlier in the program, we heard from Common Ground volunteer Felicia Heavican about hog farming and pork. And now Felicia is back with a recipe to share, and Taryn is standing by now with more.
We love our Common Ground Wednesdays because we have fabulous volunteers who come on the show. They share information and they share a recipe. Felicia, tell us about this one today.
Yep, so this is called the Rockstar Cookie Bar Recipe. And I use this one a lot for my farmers markets.
Oh, okay. How did you find it?
So this influencer I follow on Instagram, she shares a lot of baked goods recipes, and I thought I'd give it a shot, and turns out people like it.
It's a popular one. Okay, so what do we need for this?
Yep, so you'll need, I know you shared the recipe, but some of the big ingredients are chocolate chunks, chocolate chips, toffee bits, and pretzels.
Okay, so chocolate chunks and chocolate chips.
Yes, and if you think that's too rich, you could probably cut one of those out.
Okay.
But I usually double my dough because I go to farmers markets. But you start with mixing everything, add the chunky stuff last, and I usually like to refrigerate mine overnight, but you don't have to do that. And you just set it in your pan, and I usually press mine down so it fills all the corners. Sorry, that paper is probably a little loud.
What size pan do you use? This looks like 8 by 8. But...
This is 8 by 8. Okay. The recipe did call for, I believe, 9 by 13. And you can bake that, I think it's 15 to 17 minutes. I'm not very good with my timer, so I usually watch until it's a little bit brown on the top. And because I double it, I use quite a bit bigger pan. And it does depend on how thick you want it to.
Right. If you wanted a little thinner, you would use a larger pan there. We're looking at the ingredients right here on the screen. Looks like, you know, like an easy recipe to follow.
Yes, I would say if you didn't want to add all of the like pretzels and things like that, it'd probably be just a good basic sugar cookie.
Okay, and then how long do you bake it again?
At 15 to 17 minutes, but depending on your thickness, it could be longer.
Okay, 375?
350,
350
I believe.
for this one. Okay, great. And so this is a crowd pleaser.
Yes,
when you go to farmers markets.
Yep, and I try to keep mine a little gooier because that's what I like. But
Well, this is good. I like the salt on top.
Yeah, a lot of people like that. It's like sweet but salty, a little bit of crunchy.
Now, if people want to find you at farmers markets, where are you?
I'm currently in Schuyler, Nebraska, and then Lee on August 1st. So a little bit farther from Lincoln and Omaha, but lots of great vendors.
Right. So is Schuyler every week?
Every Thursday, 5 to 7 p.m.
Every Thursday. These are really good. All right.
Thank you.
So if people want to give these a try, again, this recipe is on our Facebook pages on Pure Nebraska and online. Copy it down, give it a try. Again, really love that salt on top.
Thank you. Yeah. Have any questions? Reach out.
Oh, it's tasty. All right. Thank you, Felicia. All right, back to you, John.